All right, heroes, let me prepare for you today the famous tomahawk steak Irish beef. As you can see, this type is Irish. Come on, come on. Are you ready? Ready for this steak? Look how tender it is. Oh dear, mashallah. Let's put the tomatoes here. This is green onion, and of course, garlic. This is just for appearance, I don't eat it, but let's season it. Of course, it doesn't need strong seasoning, just a little salt, black pepper, just a little like this, and a sprinkle of black pepper like this, that's enough. What's this? Let's season this side. We have corn here. Of course, this type is especially for grilling, as you can see, with herbs. Hey, corn, excellent, just like that. All right, of course. Now, after 7 or 8 minutes of roasting and grilling, I'll take it and put it in the oven. This is the oven tray with parchment paper. Come on, Tomahawk. We'll get the garlic since it's cooked, and we'll place it like this. To make the flavor, I mean. Okay, I put it in the oven and set it to 190 degrees for 20 minutes. And here, of course, we have mushrooms to add. We add it and cook it well. This mushroom, of course, releases all its water and it all comes out here. What does this smell, guys? The smell of steak, mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes all mixed and blended together. Yes, we're grilling. Grill. We're grilling. Grill for me, yes. The tomatoes are cooked. Let's take them off. All right, heroes, and this is our steak. As you can see how it turned out. Great, and of course I let it rest for about 10 minutes. You know steak after it's cooked, it has to rest. A perfect rest, and here's our steak. How is it? It's historic. You can see the garlic and the presentation. We're preparing the sauces. Here I have special barbecue with soy, sesame, and some extra things. Today, it's up to your taste and comfort. Special barbecue. Look at it with the sesame. Excellent barbecue. And here we have herb sauce, of course, and we also pour it out. Let's start with this mukbang. Here we have honey, if we want. Yes, let's try a wonderful experience with honey. Thank you, thank you. We've got it here. Of course, fresh, wonderful, and toasted bread. We can leave it on the side if we want. The most important thing is the steak. Look at the garlic. Should we try it later? Let's see how it goes. Come on. Where is the longing? The steaks. And I hear everyone saying, come on, take the first bite like this, Prince Bruce. Don't worry, go ahead in the name of God. It might just be very hot. Let's begin. I took a bite of it like this. This is the tomahawk. The familiar and famous taste. I took a bite like this, guys. What do you think? What more do you want from me? Look at the steak slices. The steak slices are delicious with a familiar and famous taste. I cooked them medium, 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 medium. Honestly, this is an amazing barbecue. Honestly, it's a masterpiece. Look at the myoglobin. It's a little pink, and this is the fat here. It's tender. Amazing refreshment. Is every steak really a steak? Just look at the barbecue. Of course, it stayed in the oven much longer than usual. Because the steak is huge, just look at it. If you cook it anymore, throw it away, don't bring it to me. Don't even call it steak, call it burnt or a fire, I don't know. This is a great steak. I'm enjoying it. Listen to the sound. Look at the slice. What's this fat? It's melting. This honey is pure and 100% natural. This is how it looks, as you can see. I want to try a piece with honey. This area is too flat. Look at her. What is this, really? Believe me, look at this bite. Look, you always write to me. Try it with honey. I tried it once. And what does this taste? And a little bit of barbecue, so it becomes honey barbecue. This is the hot bread. How I put it on, look. We added tomatoes. Oh my god. But these tomatoes. Mushroom. Several mushrooms. And this is barbecue. Let's try it now. Oh my god, the fat. Steak sandwich. It's like something out of a dream, guys. Amazing. This fat right here is on another level. Crispy outside, tender inside. This is the roasted garlic. I mashed it. This garlic, look. How the broth is caramelized. Honestly, I don't like garlic, but I'll dip in it a little. Wonderful. I like the idea. Let's drink cola. Good. I haven't tried corn. Let's go. Great. What should I say and what should I tell? We drank cola. We drank cola. I want to eat this fat right here. It's amazing, the crunch on top. Make some room for me. Make some room for me so I can review this fat. It's crispy on top, as you can see, like chips. And on the inside, it's soft. Look at it. Come on. Wow, it's really creamy. It's so creamy you can feel it to the point. This steak is a masterpiece. Of course, this part here is like cartilage. I'm trying to remove a layer. Last. Well cooked, do you see? If it's overcooked, this is how it looks. Look at its condition. There's no life in it. Its color is gray like coffee. It has no taste. Honestly, I don't prefer steak to be well done. There are people who like it well done. If you like it that way, eat it all. He'll grill it for you. This is the tikka. But as a steak, especially tomahawk, its taste is amazing. This isn't blood. Some people tell me, yeah, Amir bros, raw meat, you eat raw meat. There are people who eat raw meat, but this isn't raw. This is medium. Some people eat it even rarer than this. I mean, you don't even see it. Just the outer layer is cooked, and the rest is red or pink. That's raw. As for me, I eat my steak medium. Medium is great. I have nothing to do with it, so why should I justify myself? But before you attack, take a look at the steak and see how they cook it. Then come and criticize. All the vitamins are here in this myoglobin, and all the nutritional value of the meat is in this myoglobin. That means the edges are well cooked. Okay, excellent. In the end, you just snack on it like chips. But don't bring me a whole steak that weighs 1.5 or 2. And it's all well done. Excuse me. And it's all well done. No. Where's the barbecue? Ah, with sesame and soy sauce. It's amazing. Look at how tender it is. The video has gotten a bit long, but steak requires eating. I'm not saying it's fast, like quick to chew or anything. No, you should eat at your own pace and enjoy it. I don't recommend anyone to eat steak quickly. You know, it's meat, so take your time eating it and enjoy it. Don't swallow the bite until you're sure it's small. What is this steak? Here, only this bone at the top is left.
Eat all the bone.
In the tomahawk steak, honestly, it tastes amazing. Unfortunately, we're out of the tomahawk steak, my dear. I want more. We have other things, of course. The corn, it's wonderful. From garlic to barbecue to corn. This is the largest size I got from the supermarket. I searched and this is the biggest one. I hope they bring even bigger types so we can see.
If you like it, I'll prepare Wagyu steak. Write your opinion in the comments about Japanese steak. This is, of course, an excellent breed of cattle and is considered the most expensive steak in the world.
That's it. I just want to wrap it up. I'll finish my meal with the tomahawk, not with the bone, Dad. Excellent. Honestly, I really enjoyed the amazing steak. Oh my God, thank you for watching, heroes. Don't forget to like, rate, and follow.